गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और बाकी लोगों को हमारे साथ जोड़िए। हमने कोई कल वीडियो तो बनाई नहीं थी तो उसका कुछ डिस्कशन हम करेंगे नहीं, बट मैंने ग्रुप में एक एस्ट्रो टाइमिंग दी थी कि शायद हम पॉजिटिव रहेंगे। दैट वेंट रॉन्ग, बट शायद मैं वीडियो बनाता तो आज आपको एक अच्छा सेल मिल सकता था, बिकॉज टुडे my bank nifty upside capping was exactly at this level. Now it is very easy to come on the trading and do a post market analysis, right? It is very, very easy to do a post market analysis, but you know the way I make the video. My bank nifty mein nahi tha, but bank nifty mein upside cap was this. So people might have just surprised that why bank nifty and nifty gaps up so much. Nifty gapped up around 150 points and bank nifty does around 500 points. Okay, gap up. So this sale was very, very easy in the morning to take. Okay, but I was personally not looking like a brutal sale. The brutal sale I saw today, when basically, if you remember guys, because I came into the market, since I'm traveling, I came into the market for very, very limited period of only 30 to 40 minutes. So I traded in between here to here only, right? These 30 minutes I traded. I gave you a buying here, right? I gave you a buying here, right? And I told you to basically hold it if the green candle next is green candle. Green candle was formed. Then when this candle was forming, it was a huge green candle. If you were looking it in live, it formed a huge green candle like this, and then it ultimately came down. And I asked people to basically trail or lock only 1 point of profit. It was a no loss trade, but we didn't make any profit. I made around 1 rupee only, 1 point only here, because all these candles took the stop loss, trailing stop loss. But when market was forming this candle in the green, I was seeing SDFC Bank, and I was seeing SDFC Bank such a level where I saw that it might become a villain, right? That is what I wrote in the group, that HDFC Bank might become a villain for today. Just look after that. And anyway, मैंने यहाँ पे लोगों को exit. I clearly wrote close your trade. So we were not in loss. If people would have been holding the buy, they could have made some more money. Like from here to here, believe me, you could not have made more than 30 points. It was a no loss trade, of course, 1 point profit trade, but होल्ड भी करते तो 20-25 पॉइंट से ज्यादा नहीं बना पाते आप, and then market was just falling down. Okay, this trade could have been easily taken, this sale could have been easily taken if I would have been in life, but anyway, forget about that. But today, yesterday day before yesterday, we were talking about bank nifty being strong, and this is the behavior that we have measured, astro timing worked and all the stuff. Today, this bank nifty strength has been broken, brutally broken. Okay, so if you look at this bank nifty's behavior, the channel that I have drawn, this is a brutal breaking of bank nifty strength. Okay, though still it is on our above our do or die level, this is really, really brutal sell. Okay, where the strength is broken. Now, what will happen? So I'll just show you SDFC. Okay, SDFC Bank actually, where the pattern that I saw and why I said you have to exit the trade from buying, because sell was very, very clear. Okay, right now you see a pattern here, right? But this pattern came before. This is ये pattern में तो आपका clear ही है कि HDFC Bank जो है वो नीचे जाएगा. I told it before, okay, and I told it before by looking at these candles. Okay, can you see the buyer and seller psychology here in terms of candle formation? Okay, if you start from this candle, seller buyer fighting, of course, doji, okay, seller winning, doji, seller winning, seller winning, seller winning, seller winning. This is buyer winning, seller winning, seller winning, seller winning. Okay, now how many times seller won in this? 1 2 3 4. This is a little bit psychology. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and buyer only winning 2 times. Buyer took it. Okay, when I saw this behavior, okay, when I saw this behavior that out of when candle was here, actually out of 6 times seller was winning, it is a very, very clear sign that the pullback has to be sold. I was not there here on the market, but the pullback has to be sold. You can just learn from the pattern, just candlestick pattern. The moment you saw this pattern, this is a retracement on the positive side. When this candle is formed, this bear candle is formed, which is like your hammer kind of candle, or reverse pin bar, whatever you say, and the indicator is on, the red candle follow through happened, it could have gone for easily sell. But this behavior I could have probably figured out. I figured it out from here itself. Okay, HDFC Bank is going to come down. That is the reason I have asked you to close the trade. Okay. So at least people who traded on that, they should not have been in loss. Baki aapne sell liya or kya buy liya, I don't know today in life. But what I'm saying is Bank Nifty's strength has been brutally broken. Okay. You draw this channel, first of all, the tomorrow's trading, you draw this channel. We have a weak sell of Bank Nifty here. Weak sell matlab I'm talking about there is 70 to 80% of chance that Bank Nifty might fall from here too tomorrow. Am I expecting Bank Nifty to go above 37,000 tomorrow? Probably not. Okay, astro timing I have not calculated today, so we will see. But my view ideally would be sell on rise tomorrow also for Bank Nifty. The short covering will only happen above 37,000 level, this level 37,019. Otherwise it is very, very difficult for Bank Nifty to do a short covering, because we have a resistance here at the black level. We have a previous day low as a level as resistance. We have our sell zone resistance. It is really, really difficult for Bank Nifty to cross this level. 36,806. It would be very, very difficult for Bank Nifty to go ahead and cross. So my view would be Bank Nifty अगर यहाँ पे आपको मिलता है, a sell attempt can be made. A sell attempt can be made at least up to this trend line or this buy zone, which is around 11:30 के आसपास. Okay. यहाँ पे ये सेल बहुत इजीली आने की पॉसिबिलिटीज है. ये एक सेल हम ले सकते हैं. व्यू सेल ऑन राइज का ही आइडियली होना चाहिए, बट डेटा को अगर देखोगे मार्केट बुल दिख रहा है. अगर ऑप्शन चेन की डेटा हम देखें तो मार्केट इज लुकिंग बुल, राइट. ओके, ये बुल का कंडीशन कब होगा? बुल का कंडीशन ये कब होगा? जब मार्केट इसके ऊपर गैप अप करेगा एंड एवरीबॉडी नोज आवर ट्रेडिंग स्टाइल. ओके, इफ इट क्रॉसेस we will see short covering in this scenario only. Otherwise we will not buy. Okay, but market अगर बीच में ओपन होता है, फ्लैट ओपन होता है, ऊपर जाता है, very, very high chances market will come down. Now what market can do? Market can take a support from here and go. ऐसे पॉसिबल है क्योंकि बुलिश दिख रहा है डेटा के हिसाब से. बट मेरा व्यू सेल ऑन राइज का आइडियली रहेगा unless the first scenario happen which I'll tell you. Okay, now can we do a buying on Bank Nifty? ये दो लेवल का तो बता दिया मैंने. Can we do a buying of Bank Nifty at this level? Because this is our do or die level ideally, 36,278. My view would be, since data looks positive, okay, since data looks positive, अगर market नीचे आता है, it is worth basically have a buying here, 36,281 पे. Okay, it might just fall, go to the touch the trend line again, fall. It is possible, but a buy attempt can be made the way we have made a buy attempt here. Okay, why we have made a buy attempt here? Because my view was the market will at least go up a little bit. It can go up higher also, but it will not immediately fall. So that is the reason we did not get into a loss trade. Okay, we did not make money, but we did not get into a loss trade too. Same behavior tomorrow here. A buy attempt can be made. Okay, 1 point profit lock and you can wait. If market has to cut, you will come out of no profit no loss trade. But if market goes from here on the upper side, you might have a jackpot. Okay, because data is positive, high chances that market might recover in the second half. 11:30 12 के आसपास it might recover. So that means we have a buy attempt here, but I am not giving you guarantee. I'm not giving you a guarantee. इसके नीचे, since this is our do or die level, guys, if market is behaving like this, you can go for a sell in the first pullback itself. Because what I told, below the do or die level, we will go for a sell on rise blind anyway. So there is no buying below this level tomorrow at least. we might see a buying around 35,900 and all those, but let market fall 600, 700 points, then only we'll think we'll do that in live. Otherwise, below this level, it would be sell on rise blind. Okay, this sell on rise is blind. This sell on rise with a little bit caution. As I said, this might be a little bit of quick sell, even if we have 3 to 4 resistances here, might be. That means here and market can go up. But जैसे मैं बोला यहाँ पे buy attempt लेना है, यहाँ पे भी आपको एक sell attempt तो लेना ही है. Will not go into loss. Market will form some red candles for sure, even if it goes up. Clear? ठीक है. So confident trading तो कल है नहीं, but trying worth वाले trading है. It is worth trying a sell from this level. It is worth trying a buy from this level. And rest तो sell on rise है. And यहाँ पे ऊपर तो buy on dips है. 37,000 by chance. I don't know whether it will happen or not. If in first 1.5 hour, 2 hours, गैप अप हुआ और मार्केट ऊपर चला गया 11:30 अराउंड 12, उससे पहले मार्केट ये लेवल क्रॉस करके सस्टेन कर जाता है, वी माइट सी शॉर्ट कवरिंग टुमारो. वेरी 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 रेयर, बट वी माइट सी. ओके, निफ्टी का फटाफट करते हैं. सेम सिनेरियो निफ्टी में, यू कैन सी ए सिमेट्रिक ट्रायंगल. इफ यू माइनस दिस एरिया, व्हाई आई माइनस द एरिया व्हाइल ड्राइंग ए ट्रेंड लाइन? My rules are simple, everybody knows. If market doesn't sustain above the trend line for 15 minutes, okay, it is exactly 5, 5, 5, 5, 20 minutes around. Okay, 15, 20 is same. So 15 minutes tak sustain nahi karta hai, it is not sustaining at all. So you can ignore while you are drawing the trend line. If you see, we have a beautiful channel here. Now this is at a crucial level. First of all thing, you see a W pattern in Nifty. Okay, you see a W pattern in Nifty here. Okay, and which has broken the channel, which has broken the trend line. So we are not sure whether the market will gap up or gap down. High chances that Nifty might gap up or do a flat one. That might be possible. Okay, we have a symmetric triangle here. High chances market will go up. Data is positive. It says market is going up. But my view would be, don't go for a heavy positive buy. Okay, that's what we would be. We will only do a buying on a short covering scenario above 37,000 and Nifty में ये level के ऊपर, especially 37,360. That means 100 point के ऊपर market sustain करेगा तो we'll see short covering. Otherwise tomorrow ये sell zone है, but ये sell zone है market अगर gap down किया, the way we saw in Bank Nifty, market gap down करके ऊपर जाता है. This is worth attempting a sell, but I am not confident about a 100% sell from here, but this is worth attempting a sell. Okay, and then you trade. Okay, I will not give target in a worth attempting kind of trade. In Nifty, if market comes down here, it is worth attempting a buy at 17,123, again trailing, and then you see whatever the target is going out. Okay, right? Okay, most probably bottom of the channel se chala jayega, so it is worth attempting a trade for sure. Okay, and then you trade. Okay, but if market is doing a flat gap up and coming up, is it like 100% sell from here? Is it like 100% from sell from here? It depends. If market is here around 2 o'clock, okay, then you can go for a sell. If market reaches here around 11:30 or 12, before 12, then you will not make sell. That is how you are going to trade at this level, because by chance market इसके ऊपर अगर पहुंच जाता है और sustain कर जाता है, my view is market do a short covering, possibly. Okay, so we'll only sell from this. This is a confident sell, but based on timing. That means after second half. So after 1:30, after 2, if you get here, then you can go for a sell. Before that, before 1, before 12:30, if you are coming here, then we might see a short covering. I will not do a sell attempt here. I will do a sell attempt here, but I will not do a sell attempt here. This is opposite what I said in Bank Nifty. Clear, everybody? Right? So that is how we are going to trade. Do trading on extreme level only. Few people can ask the question, if this channel, this symmetric triangle is broken on the downside, can we take a sell? Yes, you will take a sell, especially if the day's low is cut. That means 17,192 is cut. Do take a sell till this trend line, channel ka low, which is around 17,120. So 70 point ka sell aapko bahut easily milega, and this might be one of the confident sell for you in the morning. Okay, that means before 12, 12:30. This might be a very, very confident sell for you in the morning for Nifty. Okay, thank you very much. I'm still traveling. I'll just take one trade max to max probably. But if If I don't and I have time, then I'll come and help in life if possible. Thank you very much. Good night. Jai Mata Di.